accessori vari.
I am Agata Mannino and I'm a designer of jewelry and fashion accessories. I took this passion from my grandmother, who was a great artist.
Materna, che anche lei era una grande artista.
These are my works, and clearly I'm totally inspired by my land, which I love deeply. I use a lot of red, that is the color of the sun of this land. I am very inspired by Etna. In this object, I put a metal thread that I modeled. Then I put these black silk cords, and then I put some small lava stones of Etna that I set as if they were gems, and finally these crystals of hematite. For me, it represents our volcano.
E per me rappresenta il nostro vulcano, l'Etna.
Indossare?
Sì, vi faccio vedere indossata. Poi come vedete io oltre a creare gioielli pitturo, mi piace tanto la decorazione.
In addition to creating jewelry, I like to paint, and in my bags there are always the citrus fruits of our island. This is a goffa, the classic Sicilian bag. I covered it with a fabric, put a shoulder strap, and painted the leather.
Ho fatto anche la tracolla in questa preziosa catena. Allora, questa collana è una scultura.
This necklace was commissioned by a journalist in honor of Sant'Agata, the patron saint of Catania. This is the crown, dedicated to the saint, and these are the bracelets, always from the collection dedicated to Sant'Agata. They were always made with metal thread, and then I set these half crystals, one by one. A very elaborate work, but I was very satisfied.
È stato, diciamo, un lavoro molto elaborato, però che mi ha dato tanta soddisfazione. Questo è una ceramica di Caltagirone.
This is a ceramic from Caltagirone with a 24-karat pure gold border. This is an embroidery, our Sicilian tatting stitch, like a lace, and it was made with a very fine thread. I added a necklace with river pearls, and it is a jewelry piece that also has a nice value. These are mini goffa bags, made from bamboo wood. In my grandfather's days, the goffa bags were used for grocery shopping. Today you go to the theater with them.
Queste borse che inizialmente si usava per fare la spesa.
These earrings are always made with bamboo, onyx stone, and then I decorate them with trimmings.
Poi li decoro con delle passamanerie e questo è il risultato finale. Questi sono i miei, in realtà tutto questo lo faccio semplicemente con questi tre, sono le mie affezionatissime.
These are my working tools. I do everything with them, and everyone in the family knows it. Who to those who touch them? This is a typical Sicilian necklace. The inside is ceramic, coated lava stone. The decoration is a Sicilian card. There is the red of Etna, the green of this island, and the gold that represents the Barocchi. This goffa is typical Sicilian, made with our dwarf palm tree. I start with a leather background and spend several days painting.
Un quadro dove c'è rappresentato, come vedi, tutta la Sicilia, l'Etna, che è la nostra fonte, e il nostro paladino.
In this painting, there is all of Sicily, Etna, the Sicilian paladin, the prickly pears, the Sicilian giumini, which are popcorn, handmade by me, and then all the bright colors of our land.
C'è l'oro, il verde, tutti i colori tipici siciliani. Qui praticamente questa borsa racchiude la Sicilia. Allora, per il mio gusto personale, allora, tre cose per me da fare assolutissimamente qui in Sicilia. Sarebbe una bella visita sull'Etna.
The three things not to be missed in Sicily are a visit to Mount Etna, Sicilian cannoli with ricotta, and a sweet or savory dish with pistachio from Bronte. Heart is a gift. I inherited it from my family. Stop, repeat. Heart is a gift. I inherited from my family. My father was a famous plasterer. One of my sisters is a restorer, and the other is a sculptor. I studied fashion at school and later worked as a decorator for a
Sicuramente è
company.
un dono di natura.
Then I
È
decided
un
to
dono
start my
che
own
poi è
business
ereditato
and
dai
started
miei
making
mio papà, è
jewels
un bravissimo
that had a good
scultore,
appreciation
quindi
from the public.
lui ha
And
costruito
so
questa
I
Catania,
encouraged
quindi
myself
ha
and
una
continue.
forma con cui mi ha
I
trasmesso una
have done
forma
several
d'arte.
fashion
Poi
shows
le mie
around
sorelle, una
Europe
è restauratrice,
and
una è
received an
scultrice,
international
quindi
award in
mancavo solo
Brussels.
io.
It is my
E mi sono
passion and I'm
avvicinata,
happy
diciamo
with
che
my
inizialmente
work,
i miei studi,
always proposing my
io
Sicily,
ho studiato come
my
stilista di
point of
moda,
reference
diciamo, a
and
Livorno,
great
quindi
source
già la
of
mia predisposizione
inspiration.
per la moda c'è stata
Wherever I
sempre
turn,
per la
this land
pittura.
always
Poi
offers something,
successivamente
even poor
ho lavorato per
material.
un'azienda
I
come
like to
lavorerò in
think that
finanza
from
e
my
poi
land I
mi
take
hanno contattato
something
come
and
decoratrice
create a
e
jewel.
facevo i corsi
It's
in
fantastic.
tutta la Sicilia orientale. Non so manco come ho i pepe.
No, tu sei bella e quindi vieni bene. Bellissima.